Still on the NECO series, theory question 2, a part of it. The fourth and seventh terms of a geometric progression are 8 and 64 over 27 respectively. Find the Roman figure 1 common ratio. Roman figure 2 first term. Solution. You have to note that anytime you are to find common ratio and first term together in any geometric progression problem, it will lead to a system of equations. The system is always non-linear. You have solution. We are dealing with nth term in this problem. So recall that t sub n is equal to a arrow, that is first term times common ratio to the power of n minus 1. That is the nth term formula of a geometric progression. From the question, we have the fourth term, t sub n equal to 8. Then we have t sub 7, that is the seventh term, equal to 64 all over 27. This is fourth term, okay? So we take the fourth term, we come here and replace n with 4. That is t sub 4 equal to first term is unknown, common ratio is unknown, n is 4 minus 1. T sub 4 is equal to 8, then equal to a arrow to the power of 3. 4 minus 1. We call this one equation 1. Then we move to the seventh term. We come back here and replace n with 7. So t sub 7 is equal to a arrow 7 minus 1. The seventh term is 64 over 27 equal to a arrow power 6. We call this one equation 2. The two equations are non-linear because the power of 3 is more than 1, and as such we cannot solve them simultaneously. Rather, we apply division approach. In that case, let's divide equation 2 by 1 because I'm considering the higher power of arrow as 6 in equation 2. So we divide equation 2 by 1. We do that side by side. So the left hand side of equation 2, that is 64 over 27, divide by the left hand side of equation 1, that is 8, then equal to, we take the right hand sides, a arrow power 6 divided by a arrow power 3. We can write this one as over 1. When dividing fractions, division sign is changed to multiplication and the fraction at the right side is inverted. So we have 64 over 27 times 1 over 8 equal to a. We cancel a. If you divide from here, you have arrow to the power of 3. 8 here, 1. Divide this by 8, you have 8. So we are left with 8 over 27 equal to arrow power 3, which is cube. To remove cube, you have to take cube root of both sides. So we have cube root of 8 over 27 equal to cube root of arrow cube. From here, we have arrow equal to cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27, that is 3. In order to find a, we can use any of the equations, but I'm going to use equation 1, where the power of arrow is 3 and is less compared to equation 2. So equation 1, 8 is equal to a arrow power 3. Now, I'm not going to use this value because we need to take cube of it. Since arrow cube is already this, I will come here and replace arrow cube with this value. That is 8 equal to a times 8 over 27. To clear fraction, multiply through by 27. This denominator, we have 8 times 27 equal to a times 8. To get a, divide both sides by 8. So a is equal to 8 times 27 all over 8. 8 we cancel 8. A is equal to 27. Roman figure 1. We are asked to find common ratio. Common ratio, that is arrow, and the value is 2 over 3. Then Roman figure 2, we are asked to find first term, that is a, and the value is 27. That is the end of the solution.